What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Miss T, coming through with another delicious Mediterranean diet recipe. I hope y'all doing good out there. I hope y'all not cheating on y'all's diets. I hope y'all not cheating. You know, I've been coming through with the recipes every week. I'm hooking y'all up, so don't be cheating. Anyways, today I'm going to be making some Greek turkey burgers. I gave my kids a choice of two. They chose the easy option. I'm here for it. Anything that make life easier on your girl. So as always, if you have any questions or comments about this recipe, please leave them down below. Now stay tuned for the video. So let's get into these burgers. First, we need to prep our seasoning mixture. So we need an egg, a little olive oil, some kosher salt, oregano, and a little freshly ground black pepper. Then we're going to give this a little whisk it real good. No, I'm just playing. So guys, ground turkey doesn't have the flavor that ground beef does. So I'm going to add all kinds of goodness to these burgers. A little baby spinach, some red onion, sun-dried tomatoes, and feta cheese. Oh my goodness, so good, so good. So this recipe makes about 4 patties. And guys, turkey is quite mushy, so make sure you pop the patties in the refrigerator for about an hour, and this will help them firm up. Now look how beautiful those patties are. Yes. Before I fry these babies, I'm going to add a little bit of cooking spray to the pan. You know, turkey doesn't produce oil like ground beef. So unless you want these beautiful patties to be all burnt up, add a little bit of cooking spray to the pan. So we'll fry these on medium heat for about 6 to 8 minutes each side covered. And this will help them stay nice and juicy. If you prefer your patties a little more brown, feel free to add an additional minute or 2 to your cooking time. And then after that, we'll let the patties rest. We don't want all the juices to run out. Now we are ready to build this burger. I'm using whole wheat buns. Y'all should be using whole wheat buns too. Stick to your diet. Don't cheat. Cheaters never prosper. Anyway, you won't believe how hard it is to find tzatziki sauce. So I had to make it at home. And if you can't find it, make sure you check out my description box. I'll have the recipe for it there. But that's it, guys. This burger is delicious. So guys, I hope you enjoy the turkey burgers as much as I'm about to, okay? Make sure you subscribe for more Mediterranean diet friendly recipes, and I will see you next time. Peace.